excited to have you here today. It's the first game of the Japanese series to will be the Pacific League this year.
The sensory seismic level is 2, but all of our observation measurements are showing level 8.
I can't believe this is happening. Would you look at that? It's crazy! It's just not right! Mary, you shouldn't be out here in your condition.
But Joe, this is the first phenomenon like this in all of history.
I'm well aware of that, but...
We've got to see it so we can write about it.
Good invited guests, do come in. Welcome to the Night of Wonderland. I am Fabula. The conjunction Yes, 12 years ago, that was the day when the Pillar of the Darkness of Chaos first appeared. But now, a new journey, a new wandering is about to begin. A wandering in a new place. Wonderland.
Seems like even the tourists have stopped coming in such big numbers.
It's no wonder, because I heard another ship disappeared.
See, I'm sure the pillar is somehow connected to Wonderland.
And all the subway workers are constantly disappearing too. So...
It's been closed for a while now, hasn't it?
what if we don't end up being able to come back either? What do we do?
We'll be fine. We know that Mom and Dad made it back at least once.
See anything?
We still got 2 or 3 minutes to go.
So hey sis, aren't you even scared?
We're going to look for Mom and Dad, you know. There's no time to be scared right now.
Well, yeah, I guess you're right. Something's coming.
I know it. It's really true.
What do we do, sis?
It's dark. You think?
Getting in?
Of course! I mean, that's why we came here, right?
Listen! That sounds like the departure bell!
It must be getting ready to leave! Hurry!
It's just a normal subway train. But Mom and Dad took this train, didn't they?
This is Pacifist reporting. I am currently on...
Someone else is here, you!
Well, good evening.
Don't play nicey with us. Who are you and how'd you get on?
Watch your manners, sis. I'm real sorry, miss.
It's fine. Who are you? A couple of ghosts that live on this train?
You're the one who's a ghost here.
Cut it out already, sis. Huh. We were hoping we were on the train to Wonderland now. You see, we're searching for our missing Mom and Dad.
Wonderland?
Yeah, they say that the Pillar of Darkness is in some way connected to the magical world of Wonderland. At least, that's what my dad wrote in his book here.
Day of Conjunction. The book from Professor Hayakawa, famous for research on the physics of Wonderland.
They wrote in there that when they went to Wonderland, they took a subway train. We checked it out online. We found out about a rumor that said we could get on the train at precisely 13 seconds past 12:13 a.m. on a full moon night.
I'm Yu Hayakawa, and this over here is my older sister.
And I'm Ai. He calls me his older sister, but we're twins.
Oh, I'm Lisa.
So why are you on the subway?
Well, I don't know.